Good afternoon, guys. My name is Karthik. I'm currently pursuing first year in BTech CSE. We have been given the question to find the Laplace equation of sine 2t. We'll just dive into the question on how to solve. Guys, we have been given the question to find the Laplace equation of sine 2t. First, I'll just tell you how to find the Laplace equation of any function. F of t is integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt, which can be simply represented as f of s. It's just a representation, capital F of s. Now, what we have to do simply, f of t is equal to sine 2t. Just simply replace. Now, integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into sine 2t dt is capital F of s. Right, guys? We all know this, right? Now, integration by parts. We solve it through integration by parts. What is the integration by parts of this? Integration by parts of uv dash is equal to uv minus integral u dash v. uv is simply representation, guys. We just have to put u as sine 2t and v dash as e power minus st, and when we replace it with this formula, we'll get the answer for the integration by parts. I'm gonna do it directly, guys, which is sine 2t into integral 0 to infinity e power minus st dt minus integral 0 to infinity d by dt of sine 2t. Don't forget the limits, guys. Into integral 0 to infinity e power minus st dt, right? Sine 2t into e power minus st's integration, e power minus st by minus s. We are done with this term. We just have to apply the limit 0 to infinity minus integral 0 to infinity sine 2t's differentiation. Sine 2t's differentiation is 2 into cos 2t, because sine 2t's differentiation is cos 2t, and into multiply the differentiation of the inner term 2t's differentiation is 2 into what is this, integration of e power minus st dt. Simple, we have already done it here, right? E power minus st by minus s dt. Here we'll evaluate this term, guys. We can evaluate it right here or we can evaluate it at the end, but we'll just do it right here. Minus 1 by s, take it out common, into sine of 2 into infinity into e power minus s into infinity minus sine of 2 into 0 into e power minus s into 0 into minus 1 by s. Guys, before this, there's a prerequisite knowledge which we need to know. Sine x, cos x, both these trigonometric functions, both sin x and cos x, both these trigonometric functions are bounded functions and they lie between minus 1 and 1. This is the universal rule, guys. Like, sin x and cos x will not take the values outer to minus 1 and outer to 1. They take only values between these two, and they also take the values of minus 1, 0, 1 included. So sine of infinity is not infinity or some other number, guys. It's simply something between minus 1 and 1. We don't even need that. Something between minus 1 and 1 into e power minus infinity, which is 0. So we know that 0 into anything is 0. Minus, what is sine 0? Simple, 0 into e power 0. Even that is 0. Into minus 1 by s. Simple. Anything by 0 is 0. So the entire term is 0. So the first term evaluated to 0. We'll just forget the term. Don't read now. Here, guys, in the second term, minus, minus. So plus. Plus, just take the things which are not needed outside. 2 by s into integral 0 to infinity cos 2t into e power minus st dt. Right? The page is over, guys. We have to take a fresh page. We'll just write it again. Plus 2 by s into integral 0 to infinity cos 2t into e power minus st dt, which is the Laplace equation of f of yes, I mean capital F of s, which is simply a representation, right? We'll just check it here. Now we'll have to do the integration by parts again. Okay, cos 2t into e power minus st dt का simple cos 2t into integral e power minus st dt 0 to infinity minus integral 0 to infinity d by dt of cos 2t into integral 0 to infinity e power minus st dt. Okay, you have taken the 2 by s common out, guys. Remember that. Cos 2t into e power minus st ka what is it? Simple, e power minus st by minus s, the entire term 0 to infinity minus d by dt of cos 2t integral 0 to infinity cos 2t ka minus sin 2t into 2 into e power minus st by minus s. Guys, you will make a mistake with the signs, so we have to remember these signs. One mistake in this signs, then gone, the entire sum is gone. 0 to infinity minus, guys, minus cancel, but the entire minus plus, but the total minus is there. So integral 0 to infinity 2 कॉमन कर दो, sin 2t 2 by s को भी कॉमन कर दो, sin 2t into e power minus st dt. We'll just put this aside. Okay guys. Now guys 2 by s को बाहर कर दिया. Now 0 to infinity sin 2t into e power minus st dt. Don't you find it similar to something, guys? Sin 2t into e power minus st dt, which is the basic formula for finding the Laplace equation of any function. So minus 1 by s into cos 2t into e power minus st, limits, don't forget that, very very important. Minus 2 by s into this, the entire integral 0 to infinity sin 2t into e power minus st dt, the entire thing into replaced by f of s. It's simply representation, guys, nothing more. F of s simply the representation of Laplace equation of any function. Now 2 by s into minus 1 by s cos 2t e power minus st 0 to infinity minus 2 into 2 4 by s square into f of s is equal to capital F of s. Okay, now we'll evaluate this term and take this term minus 4 by s square into capital F of s to the RHS side, guys. Simple, minus 2 by s into integration, I mean we have done the integration, applying of the limits, cos of 2 into infinity into e power minus s into infinity minus cos of 2 into 0 into e power minus s into 0 is equal to f of s common kar do, guys, 1 plus 4 by s square. Okay, I have already discussed, guys, that for any trigonometric functions like cos and sine, not the other things, we are not concerned about the other things. Cos and sine both are boundary functions. They take values between minus 1 and 1. So cos infinity is not infinity, guys. Remember, cos infinity is not infinity. It is something between minus 1 to 1 into e power infinity. E power infinity is infinity. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. E power infinity is 0. I'm sorry. So something between minus 1 to 1 into 0 is 0. Simple. Cos 0. What is cos 0? 1 into e power 0. E power 0 is 1. In this I have made a mistake. E power infinity is 0. I'm sorry. It's my bad. Now minus into minus. प्लस 2 by s, LHS 2 by s आ गया, और इंटू इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एस इंटू 1 प्लस 4 by s स्क्वायर कर दो सिंपल. एफ ऑफ एस इंटू एस स्क्वायर प्लस 4 by s स्क्वायर is equal to 2 by s square. Guys, another small mistake, यहाँ s square आना था ना से guys, cause here look at this minus 1 by s को बाहर कर दिया तो s square, so the denominators s square and s square get cancelled and f of s is equal to 2 by s square plus 4. So yeah, the Laplace equation of sin 2t is 2 by s square plus 4 s greater than 0. Thank you guys, that is the answer for the Laplace equation of sin 2t. I've made a in the process, in the flow of the making the video, small mistakes were made, but I've rectified it. I mean e power minus s into infinity and not taking this s square, small mistakes were made, but I've rectified it in the video. Thank you guys.